for grossly lacking in merit. So this is a very, very well thought out judgment. And you see the reasons are very, very clear. Even during the trial, you saw they were not able to call witnesses. So all the allegations, there were no witnesses to back them up. The documents they brought, no witnesses to speak to them. So we are very happy that today this has come to an end. His Excellency can now concentrate and use this second term to deliver the dividends of democracy to the good people of Bauchi State.
I believe that all of us were in the courtroom when the judgment was delivered. And you could observe that I stood up and I thanked their lordships for their judgment. So, and I begged them, I appealed to them, could we give us a certified true copy of the judgment so that we can give our client, who will give us the next instruction to do with the judgment. As far as we are concerned, he has employed us to be his counsel, and we have the judgment has been delivered. The next step he wants to take is, at his discretion.
So are you satisfied with the judgment that was delivered?
You say, am I satisfied?
Yes.
That is what I'm telling you now. I said my client has to give me an instruction. Assuming I say I'm satisfied and my client is not satisfied. Don't you see that it's a professional misconduct? Somebody has sent me here. I agree. Like your organization now sent you here. So let's leave it at that.
Okay. So please
for
can
now.
we have your name? We understand that you counsel.
Yes, I'm Kola Olawoye. I'm a senior advocate of Nigeria.
Okay. You're the lead counsel or you're...
The lead counsel for the petitioners.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Okay. So please, what can you say about the output of the election trial?
Well, as you all know, we decided to approach the tribunal seeking for redress following the outcome of the 2023 gubernatorial election, believing in the sanctity of the judiciary and hoping to get the much anticipated justice. But so what has transpired today is definitely below our own expectations. And for that, though as Nigerians, we must have to respect the decision of the court. But we are going to sit down with our counsels and then decide on the next level of the struggle to follow. Certainly, we are not going to end up here. We are going to continue with the fight. We must have to ensure that we fight for free and fair democracy in Nigeria. We must have to fight to ensure justice in the electoral system in Nigeria, and we must have to fight to emancipate the people of Bauchi.